First go to Source and select Video File. Select your video file in the Open dialog box and say Open. Handbrake will now scan the video file and find out what its resolution is and its various settings. So that's a 720p video, 1280 by 720. Select on the right hand side here the iPhone and iPod Touch preset and change the width to the width of your device, and that's going to give you a video that will fill the screen and not need to be stretched or shrunk, and give you the most efficient file size. So we're going to encode this for an 800 wide screen. We want it to keep the aspect ratio, which is coming out at 448. So even if your screen is higher than that, you would rather have black at the top and bottom than probably at the left and right, given that the aspect ratio is probably going to be 16:9, which is what this is actually. 1.78 is the same as a 16:9 widescreen. There's nothing to change on the Video Filters tab. On the Video tab, you want to make sure that it's the H.264 codec. It would be a good idea to keep the frame rate as the same as the source frame rate, unless you've got a particular reason to change it. That would just give it a lot more encoding to do. I recommend that you change your average bit rate to 1250. It's a good setting for small screen devices. Any higher and you sometimes lose sync, sometimes get jogging. 1250 is a good setting. The audio, you need to select the track in order to change the settings. The audio in your file will possibly be something like a Pro Logic or even higher setting. You might as well take the CPU time to downmix that to stereo and save some space in the resulting file, presuming that your handheld device has only got a stereo or perhaps even mono sound. Unless you've got a video out and you're playing it into a system that can handle something more than stereo, you might as well mix that down. And the other tabs here aren't going to be relevant for you. You can, at this point, if you like, save these settings to a preset. So that if you want, you can just select this preset in future. But there's really not very many settings to change, and in any case, you may want to change the resolution sometimes. And that's it. All you do after that is click Start, and a window will pop up and start encoding that for you.